The difference between critical and descriptive writing. Descriptive writing is relatively simple. In fact, with descriptive writing you are not developing argument, you are merely setting the background within which an argument can be developed. You are representing the situation as it stands, without presenting any analysis or discussion. The most characteristic features of descriptive writing are that it will describe, but will not go beyond an account of what appears to be there. A certain amount of descriptive writing is needed to establish, for example, the setting of the research, a general description of a piece of literature, or art, the list of measurements taken, the timing of the research, an account of the biographical details of a key figure in the discipline, or a brief summary of the history leading up to an event or decision. Descriptive writers provide only description and they do not transform information. That means they only report ideas. On the other hand, critical writers participate in the academic debate. They need to weigh up the evidence and arguments of others, and to contribute their own opinions. Critical writers need to consider the quality of the evidence and argument you have read, identify key positive and negative aspects you can comment upon, assess their relevance and usefulness to the debate that you are engaging in for your assignment, and identify how best they can be woven into the argument that you are developing. This is more challenging and risky because a much higher level of skill is clearly needed for critical writing than for descriptive writing. Critical writing strategies. Critical thinking yields several strategies you are likely to use in your college writing. Many of your writing assignments may reflect just one of the strategies or a combination of them. We have arranged these strategies in the order of complexity of the critical thinking they require. Keep in mind that these strategies often overlap. You may use comparison and contrast when you are synthesizing information. You may synthesize the results of a causal analysis. But you will use several of these analytical strategies when you write an evaluation. You should look at the discussion here as a way to explore and discover your ideas about your subject so that you can write your assignment. The strategies discussed here are those most commonly used in college writing. The first three, 1. Analyzing, 2. Comparing and contrasting, and 3. Explaining causes and effects, are among the most practiced forms of analysis. The next two strategies, 1. Stating your opinion and supporting it, and 2. Proposing a solution, are the forms of synthesis most commonly found in college writing. Evaluation is the most complex of the thinking strategies and usually employs other reasoning strategies. The last strategy, persuasion, is used with the other strategies to lend credibility to your stated position and to bolster acceptance of your thinking. How do you write critical essay? The different stages you need to go through to write an excellent critical essay. 1. Decode the essay title. 2. Plan your essay. 3. Research your subject. 4. Structure your essay. 5. Develop your argument and introduce counter-arguments. 6. Use relevant evidence. 7. Develop your academic writing style. 8. Find out how to present your work.